Alright, now One UI 6.0 on Samsung Galaxy phones offers some amazing widgets which are very useful. Among these default widgets on the phone, there is one important widget you might not have explored, and that widget is going to change the way you use the applications on your phone. In this video, we are going to see what exactly this widget is all about, and you let me know whether you are using this widget on your phone or not after watching this video. Now here, let me just press and hold on the home screen. I'll tap on widgets. Now let me just scroll down. Here we have got digital well-being. Now let me just tap on this. Here we have got three different widgets: screen time, an expanded screen time with details, and the third one is app timers. Now I'm talking about this particular widget, the app timers. Now let me just press and hold on this and bring it onto the home screen. Now here it says no app timers. Now let me just tap on this widget. As you can see, it takes us to a menu where the applications are categorized under audio, games, health and fitness, image, maps and travel, news and information, productivity and finance, etc. And we can select the app we want to set a timer for using that particular application in a day to help manage the usage time for those applications. What I mean to say is, let's say you want to restrict yourself using a particular applications in a day. Let's say you don't want to use a particular app for more than 30 minutes or 15 minutes, so that you don't really get engaged too much with those applications and waste your time during the day. If you want to do that, if you want to track the usage of those applications, you can use this widget and set it up on the home screen. Now let's say I'm using the Call of Duty too much during the day and I want to restrict myself playing this game for maybe about half an hour or so. Then all I need to do is just select Call of Duty game, tap on set timer. I'll set it for maybe 45 minutes. And by default, all the days are selected on top here. If you want to select only the weekdays, you can select them, or depending on your requirement, you can select these days. I've selected all the days here. I'll tap on done. As you can see here, we have got a time progress bar, which is going to show me how long I have used this particular application. And this gets reset every day. Now let me tap on this again. As you can see, it shows this particular game. Now if you want to add more applications, you can tap on this plus button on the top right. Now I'll just add Spotify, and let's say I want to set a timer for Spotify for about 1 hour max. I can tap on done. Now this is going to show me how long I have used Spotify on the phone during the day. As soon as the app reaches the usage limit or the set time, the app icon will be disabled. As you can see here, the WhatsApp has been disabled here, and when I tap on that, it says you have used all your time for WhatsApp today. You can use the app again tomorrow, or you can change this app timer in settings. This is just an example. Obviously, I will not set a timer for the WhatsApp, but just to show you guys, this is how it is going to work. This feature is so well executed. This helps us restrict ourselves from using a particular application beyond the time that you would like to use it. This definitely helps us have a control over application usage. If at all you are addicted to any games or applications, and if you want to have a control over it and monitor the usage, you can go ahead and set this widget up. Let me know how many of you guys have used this widget. Have you ever set it up on the phone? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. And if this video deserves a like, do go ahead and hit that like button. That would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.